Hey, hello again, everybody. This is Ralph, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the untold truth about affiliate marketing. I'm going to talk about the downside, the dark side, and the plus side. And to get started talking about the dark side of affiliate marketing and online business in general, this is a side of the business that a lot of people won't get into because it is kind of a dark side. But you will have companies that will come and go in affiliate marketing and in other forms of online business as well. When I first got started in online business, doing affiliate marketing and network marketing, there are a lot of companies that I joined back in 2013, 2015 that no longer exist today. They were pretty good for a couple of years, and then they just went broke. They just got closed down by some got closed down by the FTC, the SEC, and others just decided, what the heck, we're going to close down. We're going to close our doors. And this is something that it's really hard to tell which companies are going to last and which companies are not, unless of course they've already been around for a few years. But if you're joining a company that's brand new, a new startup, those can be exciting companies to join, but you never know how long they're going to last. They may be around for a couple of years, they may be around for 3 years, 5 years, and then just close down, run into some problems. So, yeah, that's a risk that you have to be willing to take in affiliate marketing, is building your future with a company that may or may not be around this time next year, because the business can change. And there's a lot of companies that just don't weather change that well and haven't weathered change that well. So that's a little bit of a risk right there. And I'll talk about how to kind of minimize that risk as we get to the end of this video. Second point, second dark side that people will generally not really talk about in affiliate marketing, is that companies will change the comp plan. There's a lot of companies that start out as affiliate marketing companies. And the reason that companies will do this is that they don't really have to spend money on advertising. When they promote the company through affiliate marketing, they just get a team of affiliates that will come on board, and the affiliates will advertise the company. They'll do it by direct means, person to person, social media marketing. Some affiliates will take out advertising in papers and online forums, Facebook, things like that. But the company itself does not really have to pay for advertising, which is kind of a benefit for the company. And what they'll do is, instead of spending like thousands or millions of dollars on advertising, they'll pay that money out to the affiliates when they make sales. And so it's pretty neat for the company, because they only pay for their advertising when affiliates make sales. And it's kind of the affiliates that take the risk and will do the work and generate sales and be earning commissions generating sales. And sometimes the companies will reward their affiliates by cutting the compensation plan whenever they feel like it. And I've seen companies do this. I was involved in a company not too long ago. Started out as a pretty neat company, and then about a year ago, they started playing Mickey Mouse games with the compensation plan. They started cutting what we got paid by 50%. And they said, well, they were running a promotion where people can join at half off. And they said, this is a 30-day promotion. And then after that, we'll get back to business as usual. And then after 30 days, they decided, okay, we're going to extend this for another 30 days. And then after 60 days, they kept right on doing it, at 50% off. A year later, they still hadn't gone back to the regular price. And of course, when a affiliate marketing company cuts their prices by 50%, they're also cutting your commissions by 50%. And when they're lying about it, just straight up lying about it, saying, oh, this is just for 30 days. No, wait a minute, it's just for 60 days. No, wait a minute, it's just for 90 days. When they're straight up lying to you about the changes that they're making with the comp plan, that's not a good feeling. And I just went ahead and quit that company because it was just too unreliable. But there are companies that will play games with the comp plan. There are companies like Amazon did this. When they first got started, they weren't really paying the greatest commissions, but I think they were paying like 5%, 6% in some cases. And then a few years ago, they dropped their commission structure. And now I think their top commission is like something like 3%, maybe 4%. But I mean, yeah, companies will do this. They will start out rewarding their affiliates really well for promoting the company. And then once the company grows to a certain level, some of these companies will reward the affiliates by cutting their commissions. And I mean, that's kind of a bad deal because, it's kind of like the company is saying, hey guys, great work. Thanks for promoting us. Now we're going to cut your salary in half. Or now we're going to cut your commissions by 20% or 30% or whatever. And, thanks for promoting us and have a great life. And, it's irritating, it's frustrating, but companies will do that. And the third bad thing, the third dark side about affiliate marketing is that there are companies that will unexpectedly change the rules on you. They'll be going great for maybe several months, maybe several years, and then they will just change the rules. And one company, I will not name the name, but one company has been around for years and years. And they were accepting affiliates that you could join as a free affiliate. And they were accepting affiliates, pretty much no questions asked. And people would come in, join the affiliate program, and be making a lot of money promoting various products. And this went on for several years. And then one year, this company decided, instead of just accepting affiliates without, with no questions asked, we're going to make them go through a training. And nobody can make money selling for the company until they go through this training. And I thought when I heard that, sounded like a pretty good deal. Yeah, why not make sure that your affiliates have some basic training? But the bad part of that rule change is they did not grandfather in the old affiliates who had been promoting the company for years. And so some affiliates were caught in the position where they'd been promoting the company for several years, been making a lot of money every month, and then suddenly found out that their commissions were non-existent because they didn't have this one training that the company decided they were going to require. And some people, didn't get the memo until they checked their bank, and for some reason they found out their commissions weren't showing up. And went back online and did a little bit of digging and found out they weren't going to get paid until they went through this training. They were already doing the job. They were already getting sales, but the company decided to change the rules. And I think in that case, it was for fairly good reason, but they should have grandfathered in the old affiliates. And there were some old affiliates with that company that found themselves in the position where they suddenly were not able to make money, even though they were making sales, until they took that training and passed that training course. And then once they got reapproved, they would go ahead and be able to earn commission from their sales. But those are just three. Yeah, three. Arthritis, can't really bend my fingers the way I used to. But yeah, those are three dark sides, downsides of affiliate marketing that a lot of times people won't talk about. But, these changes, either individually or if you see them all at once in the same company, these are changes that can leave you high and dry in your home based affiliate marketing business. So, definitely something to look out for. Now, there is a plus side to affiliate marketing, and that is that even though there are some companies out there that are fly by nights, sometimes it seems like they're the vast majority of companies that turn out to be fly by nights. There are some serious long term companies out there that have been around, for 3 years, 5 years, 7 and 10 years, even longer than that, that have been long term stable and that really do a good job of looking out for their affiliates, and companies that want to do the right thing for their business and also want to do the right thing for their affiliates. So even though there are some companies out there that will scam out after a few months or even a few years, there are some long-term stable companies out there. You just have to do your own research and find those companies. And then once you find those companies, treat them as if they were gold and stay loyal to them. Because yeah, they're not that common in the online business space. They are out there though, and I encourage you, do your research to find those companies. If you can find a company that's been in business for 3 years and longer, that's good. If you find a company that's been in business for 5 years and longer, that is great. But there are two stages on average where companies can get into trouble. One stage is the under 3 year stage. And once a company has been in business for 3 years and a little bit longer, generally they're going to be hanging around. They're pretty good. They've withstood the test of time. But then there's a second stage, which comes at 5 years, in which companies can run into challenges and maybe go out of business. And the company that I just left not too many months ago was at that critical 5 year stage when they started playing games with the comp plan and changing the rules on us affiliates. And I just got a very bad feeling about that place and decided, adios, I'm out of here. But yeah, do your own research and look for companies that look to be long-term stable because they have been long-term stable for 5 years or longer. 3 years is good. 5 years and longer is great. Over 5 years is optimal. So yeah, do your own research and find those companies. New startups are fun. They can be great to join. But if you want long-term stable, you need to do your research and find companies that have been in business for the long term. And the second thing that I would suggest that you look out for on the positive side is that there are good companies out there that believe in paying top commissions. If you want to join an affiliate marketing program like with Walmart, they have an online business that they have an affiliate program, and they pay about, I think, 3% commission, something like that. Amazon's another one, pays about 3 to 4% commissions on average. And I mean, not the best. If you make a lot of sales, if you know how to do a lot of sales, you can make money doing it, but you really have to hustle. You really have to generate a lot of sales. There are companies out there, though, that pay commissions greater than 3%, greater than 4%, greater than 5%. There are companies that will pay like 50%, 60% commissions, 80% commissions. Look for the companies that pay top commissions, and preferably companies that pay top commissions that have been around for several years and have really withstood the test of time and are still doing good. And also, look for companies that pay not only top commissions, but recurring commissions. Recurring commissions are when you make a sale and a customer buys something that they're going to be paying for month after month after month. And a recurring commission is when you make money from that first sale, and then you also make money month after month after month for as long as your customer remains a customer of that program. And so, yeah, recurring commissions are great because in the beginning, you have to do a lot of work to build up your customer base. But then once you've got your customer base built up to where you like it, you can actually slack off a little bit, be making money while you sleep, and be enjoying those recurring monthly commissions. So, yeah, look for companies that pay top commissions and companies that pay recurring commissions because those companies can be giving you financial freedom by separating your time from your money. Because once you get your customer base built up, you're no longer out there scrambling to make a sale every day, every week, every month. You can actually take some time off, enjoy life, take it easy, and make money while you sleep. And that is a great position to be in. So, bottom line, there are some dark sides to affiliate marketing. We've covered that. Fly-by nights, companies that will come and go, uh, unethical companies, in my point of view, unethical companies that will change the comp plan and reward their affiliates by cutting their pay, oftentimes without prior notice. And there are companies that will change other rules too that will adversely affect the affiliates. So you got to be prepared because, yeah, companies have come and go. So, yeah, if you're building up a future with an affiliate marketing plan, affiliate marketing company, make sure you got a plan B in place too, because you may have to pivot with very little notice. But on the plus side, there are companies that are long term because they have been around long term. They are ethical, they're run by ethical owners that believe in treating their affiliates the right way, practice the golden rule. Treating other people the way you would want other people to treat you, and pay top commissions. So, if you're thinking about joining an affiliate program, I encourage you, do your research and be thorough. You look for companies that have been around a while, companies that are ethical, companies that pay top commissions, and companies that pay recurring commissions. And you find companies like that, enjoy them because, yeah, they're not that common. There are a lot of good companies out there that meet those standards, but the vast majority do not. So, yeah, do your own research. And if you'd like to take a look at what I do, I have found what I think is a real gem of a company called the Home Business Academy. They train people on how to do affiliate marketing. They've been around for over 7 years now. I think we are on the eighth year of operation, and they pay 80% recurring commissions. And it's just a breath of fresh air in this industry that's been plagued by so many negatives. So if you want to check out the Home Business Academy for yourself, check out my affiliate link at ralphshomebiz.com, and that link will be in the program description down below. So that takes care of this video. Thank you for dropping by. The untold truth about affiliate marketing. And yeah, there's a dark side to it. There's a bright side to it. Look for the bright side. And as always, do your own research. Thanks for dropping by. We'll catch you in future updates. Take care. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.